So them have fake vagina as sell a Jamaica now. First, I did fake rice and fake dumpling and fake banana. And the woman them fake hair and fake nails and all these things. Now them have fake vagina. And please excuse the noise in the background. My apartment complex is doing some washing of some sort that I really don't care about. And it's pissing me off because every time I have to film, there's always somebody cutting the grass or mowing the lawn or doing something interrupting my filming, okay? But that's neither here nor there. That's not what we're here to talk about. We'll talk about them in a future video when I move up out of here and all the drama. Alright, so we're here to talk about these fake vaginas, which in my world they're called pocket pussies. So they're known to me as pocket pussies, basically. So we're going to be talking about pocket pum-pums. Convinced that their men cannot be satisfied, some women are buying extra vaginas for their men in a bid to stop them from cheating. Red flag. That's the first wrong step right there. The vaginas, however, are fake and come in a form of flashlight with a pink opening that looks like a vagina. The cost varies from $4,500 to $10,500. All the users needs to do is to pour a lubricant inside the opening of the product and then pleasure himself. One carrier of the product says it feels very real when the finger is submerged inside the opening. Representatives of the popular adult toy store Avura Vibe, which is located in Portmore, St. Catherine, said fleshlights have been selling on a weekly basis at the store, and it's mainly females who are purchasing the product. I don't know if it's the stigma surrounding fleshlight, but it's mainly the women that are purchasing the product, as sales representatives told the Star. Trudy from Spanish Town said she bought a fleshlight for her man recently. Fake vagina thing me day. No other woman to my property, she said while giggling. It's okay if a man wants to use a fake vagina to masturbate. The only time I would have a problem is if he's enjoying a fake vagina more than mine. However, Janet said she would be upset if her man uses a fleshlight. I would be jealous. I would be upset and want to fight, Janet said. Nothing done wrong with mine, so what the hell he's gonna get it for? Lorraine Ward, who operates a sex shop Forbidden Fruit in the corporate area, said she decided to put the artificial vagina on her shelves because of the high demand for the product. It's a hot commodity. We initially didn't stock it until we received a request for it. Ever since, we've had a growing market for it. Repeat customers account for a greater share of the market. Market demo is mostly that of married professional men who either do a lot of traveling or whose wives are away for extended periods, Ward said. A woman who identified herself as Sweet Candy said the flashlight would spice up things in her bedroom. I would love my man to get a flashlight. I would love to watch him use it, as it would be a turn on for me, she said. Michelle said, rather my man use a masturbator instead of going with other females. I agree. The Star asks a few males if they would buy the product. I would try it. I would be shy to purchase it myself. I would prefer send someone to get it for me, said Tony, who lives in Linsden. Steve resides in Portmore and said he would purchase the product himself. Why would I be ashamed to purchase the product? It's my life. I don't care about what people have to say. It's to pleasure me. Alright, so let's talk. Let's get into it. This is my type of topic right here. Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. For everybody that keeps asking. If you have a relationship, whether it's a boyfriend girlfriend relationship or you are married to a person that travels a lot, if you're not going to make that time to go visit them and pleasure them, then I would suggest getting a pocket pussy. And all in all, like, these stuff is very late. My Jamaican people very late, but whatever, I'll still talk about it. I would suggest getting a pocket pum pum, basically. So it's basically an artificial pum pum, and I'll insert it right over here how it looks. It's basically an artificial pum pum that looks like a real vagina, and you lubricate it and you masturbate with it. So it feels like a vagina, it looks like a vagina. It's basically the real thing. It feels like a real one too. So if you're a traveling person and you have a significant other that needs that pleasure very consistently on a consistent basis, then that would be a good way for them to pleasure themselves without you being directly there. And you know, say them not cheat on you, you know, say them not give you a thing, and you know, say yes, I might think that, and you will safe and secure, you don't have no STD, no HIV, I'm good, okay? And a lot of women have stigma, or men rather, a lot of men and women in Jamaica have stigmas as far as sex toys is concerned, or pleasuring themselves or masturbating is concerned, because in Jamaica our culture is very like stigma oriented. There's a lot of stigmas in our culture, and I find that it's very ridiculous. Like, if you're somebody, if you don't know how to pleasure yourself, how do you expect somebody else to know how to pleasure you or know what you like? If you don't experiment yourself and know what you like from you don't like, then how can you expect to have a good sex life? That's the part I don't understand. That's the part I don't get. And when they talk about sex toys and fake vaginas and stuff, enough man don't talk about, yo, me not deal with them thing, them rather get some pum pum and all these things. But with that being said, when you fuck 5 million girl and they want to get STD and HIV, then you talk how the girl live wicked and all these things. But if you were a person like this, you keep one girl, and if you feel say she not do the thing right, or you're feeling kind of horny and she not did it at the time, and you have one little pocket pum pum, you'll be good. You wouldn't have to worry about nothing. You don't have to catch no AIDS, you don't have to catch no HIV, and you are still loyal and faithful to your relationship in the process. So the whole stigma thing with vibrators and sex toys in Jamaica, I really don't get, me not understand, and I don't see the big deal. But it is what it is. Comment in the comment section and tell me in the comment section, for my females, would you buy a pocket pum pum for your man? Or would you get mad if you feel like the man, they use it more than how he's having sex with you, or you feel like you enjoy the pocket pum pum more than you? Like, it's all about balancing. Once you have that balance with the person that you're with, as far as bringing sex toys and stuff into the bedroom, it's there for you guys to enjoy equally. So there won't be no him to enjoy more than how him enjoy me or any of that. Once you have a solid foundation of a relationship and a solid foundation of sex, of your sex life. So if you know exactly what you like, he knows exactly what he's like. He like, when you guys come together, it's gonna be awesome. Maybe I should show you guys my little sex dungeon. Oh no, that's too much. That's TMI. Not sex dungeon as in sex dungeon, me have one cage or whatever. Sex dungeon as like I have a toy collection, I have lingerie and all. Let me not get into it, because it may be a little bit too much for you guys to handle. But comment in the comment section, for my females, tell me if you would buy it for your significant other, or tell me what you would do if your significant other actually like it and like use it more than him like using you. And comment in the comment section for my guys, tell me what you would say, or what would be your reaction if your woman actually buy one pocket pum pum what would be your initial reaction? Tell me if you would try when she's there or when she's away, or would you be shy? Would you be nervous? Comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you would actually buy one yourself, or would you make your woman buy it for you. Don't forget to spice up your sex life, okay? Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. So that's my thoughts and opinions on this topic. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. And don't mind the noise. Like I explained, they're doing something in my apartment complex, and the show must go on. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.